Shalom, it's Levi Shore. Welcome back to Sweet Good Torah. I was all alone last Shabbos, and Erev Shabbos I was playing around, and I found the most excellent Cholent recipe. It's the ultimate Cholent. I can't wait to share it with my kids this Shabbos. Very exciting. And I'm going to share it with all you. It is delicious. I'm going to show you the secret. Hang on. Okay, for the ultimate Cholent, so on the bottom, I got some pearl barley from Geffen on the bottom. Then this week I'm going to try something I've never tried it, glatt kosher kishka. I've never tried beef kishka before. We usually have the parv kishka, a little oregano in there, a little onion, a little ground black pepper, a little Morton salt, a little Old Bay seasoning. I want to give it that Baltimore, flavor. Now in here, and the barley on the bottom, I cut up some potatoes. I put in the carrots. I got a whole onion, a little celery. That's also part of the secret. Put in all the spices and seasoning. I'm going to show you the secret ingredient. You ready? I seared the finger meat. Now you can use whatever kind of meat you want. You can sear it as much as you want. I sear it first. Then I put it in the cholent pot. And then I'm just going to let it cook on low all Shabbos. And then I'm going to let Hashem add that special spice of Shabbos. And it is going to be, Bezrat Hashem, so delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, here we are at the final step. I take the frozen beef kishka, wrap it up in some aluminum foil, just drop it in nicely to our pot, just put it on a low heat, cover it up, and we'll let it cook away all Shabbos until the Suda tomorrow, and we'll let Hashem season it with the special spice of Shabbos. All right, good Shabbos, Shabbat Shalom. Hope to see you back again soon.